So hello guys. I did something from a post. I saw something. I saw a date widget. Let me pull it up. Uh, so I saw this date widget. This guy here. I don't know if my network would allow me. Yeah, I think my network is allowing me right now. Good boy. Come on. Okay. Now, this guy created a date widget in KV. A date widget. Yeah, KVMD has a date widget, but it is a dialog box. We don't want that, right? Most of us don't want that. Most of us want to embed a date widget on our application instead of a dialog box. Maybe we want our users to have a screen for dates only. We don't just want a date to appear. Every time they want a date, they have to click on something, it appears. Maybe we want to structure a date widget in a way that we love, right? So this guy created something. This question was 9 years ago, 9 years and 2 months. Yeah, and it was active. Someone assessed it last year. Yeah, not last year. Last year. Last year was 1 year ago. No, that was last 2 years. I don't know. Last year was 2020. So I'm going to copy this and run the code to give you guys a feel of how this thing works. So I'm gonna do this real quick. Ctrl C. Right. Let me pull up my Python. So this is my Python. I'm gonna Ctrl A, Ctrl V. Let me clear this one off, and I'm going to change some things here before we move on, because yeah, if mode name works, right? So I just want to put this code in a run mode. This is not what we are going to use. So I'm going to run it to give you guys a look of how this looks like. Yeah, then you would expect something bigger, something much nicer, not bigger, something much nicer. Yeah, so this is what you get, a date widget, which is really awesome. The guy that did this, I'm still kind of like figuring out the magic he did, because I went through his source code and it was so simple. I thought it was gonna take a whole lot of time. My own concept was taking time, so I have to drop it now until I saw this guy. It's really cool. Like, see the months changing upstairs, the year changing upstairs, something like that. Yeah. Now this is his own, and this is my own, right? Yeah, this is my own. Now let me run mine. Good. Okay, so this is the way mine looks. Much more of material design, right? You just have to click, select, yeah, stuff like that. Yeah, so this is it. Now let me entirely, you can embed this on your software. No need to open up a dialog if you don't want to, because I've been working for a company some time ago and they requested that the the calendar be on the screen. They don't want a dialog, something like that. So I have to continue to figure out a way to do this, and finally I saw the guy's post and I implemented it to use material design. Currently I'm using the same flow work, the same way he built his software, the same way he built the date picker. I follow the same step. All credit goes to him. When you talk about the material design, you can now talk about me. So for now, all credit goes to him. Yeah, and let me show you his profile before I move on. Okay, so this is the guy. If you go to this link, which I'll be leaving in the description below, you will see this guy. Also, where is my stuff? I created a grepper answer for these two. Yeah, so this is the grep answer. If you don't know what grepper is, just go to your not Microsoft, your Google Chrome web store or Brave web store or Microsoft Edge web store. Go there, you can download grepper extension. It's also on VS Code. Yeah, so you can download it and you'll see the answer straight away. It shows you a video and answer over there. So also here is the gist link I created in case you want to download it straight. You have a single module. I'll still put this link in the description. Now let me just take you through something here. So when you select a date, when you click a date, right? Let me run the program again so that I have a clear picture of what I'm saying. So these buttons here are all MD cards, and this MD card inherits from a toggle button. Now when you click any toggle button, this is what is executing, but this is not our concern. Our concern should be on the event that occurs in case you want to get your date back. You selected a date and you want to get it on select. So if you add a date picker to your KV file, then you should give it on select method, and this on select method accepts an argument, a day. Yeah, day. So this on select method, when you write your KV code, something like this. Let's say this is, let me put a 3-quote string here. Let's say this is your date picker widget in KV, right? Say something like post hint, blah 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 blah. Then you now say something like this on select, right? To get the date, what you have to do is print args1, not 0 but 1. If you don't know what this args is, you don't need to import any args into your KV model. No need, it's already there inbuilt for you. Now if you know what this args brings back an instance of date picker and a value of the date. That is the value returned by the date picker or whatever. The instance is the arg0, the value is arg1. So this is the way it works. Yeah. If you want to override the onSelect method, you have to inherit from date picker and do whatever you want to do here on this onSelect method. Is it inherit? Yeah, subclass, whatever. You have to inherit it inside your class, the new class you're creating for it, and do your shade there. So guys, this is it, the date picker. So I decided just to do a quick short tutorial on this, and not tutorial, just an info. Yeah, an info. All right, guys. See you guys on anytime I upload any video soon. I'm sorry I've not been updating my channel with videos. Reason is I'm so tied up to work. I have a whole lot of work to do. So just anything I drop, you guys take it. Any new idea that comes to mind or any new thing I discover, I will make a quick video on that. But to start making a video on series, for now I won't be doing that much. Yeah, until I'm free. Yeah, if I'm not free, I won't be doing that most of the time. So guys, see you on my next video. Where's my yeah, surprise, I'm using Windows because I'm working.